everybody, welcome, olá, sejam bem-vindos a mais episódio. Today, in case you haven't noticed, our episode is all at the beach and we will be learning about expressions, verbs, and vocabulary used at the beach. So come along. I wanted to talk a little bit about what are common verbs that you will use at the beach to help you guys out a little bit when you decide to come for a swim. So in Portuguese, first of all, to go to the beach, we say ir à praia. The same would apply if you were going to the swimming pool, ir à piscina. They're both feminine nouns. Another action that you do a lot at the beach is nadar, to swim, or mergulhar, to dive, or surfar, to surf. So we actually have a verb to surf in Portuguese. Other things you do at the beach, for example, construir castelos de areia, to build sand castles, for example, jogar a bola, to play ball, correr, to run, apanhar conchas. Apanhar conchas is a good one, as in to pick up shells. We use that a lot. Or shells are little rocks, pedras. Or if you want to be more specific for little rocks, you can say pedrinhas. Apanhar pedrinhas e conchas. Other things you might want to do is just go for a swim. So in that case, you would say ir nadar. I also wanted to mention that in Portuguese, you can definitely use two infinitive verbs in a row, okay? So you can say gosto de ir nadar, gosto de ir apanhar conchas. Now I wanted to show you guys a video I made with some vocabulary so you guys can practice beach and summer vocabulary. O mar, a água, a onda, a areia, a salva-vidas, o balde e a pá, a boia, os papagaios, os brinquedos de praia, os chinelos, a toalha de praia, os óculos de sol, os óculos de natação, o chapéu de sol. If you've been to a beach in Portugal, you've probably noticed that it's very common to eat a Portuguese pastry at the beach, where you'll find a lot of sellers of bolas de Berlim. That's a Portuguese pastry, almost like a donut, but in the shape of a ball, and you can buy it with different fillings from cream to chocolate to other ones. It's really, really delicious and it's great to eat at the beach, so I highly recommend you try a bola de Berlim at your next visit to a Portuguese beach. Another thing I wanted to mention is that bola de Berlim, the literal translation would be ball of Berlin. Okay, you can also find these pastries at any pastry shop, but lately in these last few years, it's become very popular to eat them at the beach during the summer. We also have usually sandwiches at the beach that we would say sandes. We have yogurts, iogurtes, lots of fruit. It's very common to eat fruit at the beach in Portugal. Muita fruta. And a lot of drinks, of course, so water would be definitely the most common one, água. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe, to hit the bell, and I hope to see you guys soon. Adeus, fiquem bem! Learn European Portuguese online.